case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In 1982, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a pivotal case, Board of Education of the Hendrick Hudson Central School District v. Rowley ex rel. Rowley, which addressed the education of handicapped children. The core of the issue was whether schools were required to provide the best possible education for handicapped children, or simply an education that was appropriate for their needs and abilities. The case involved a deaf student named Amy Rowley, whose parents requested a sign language interpreter in all her academic classes. The education of the Handicapped Act mandated states to provide a free, appropriate public education to all handicapped children through an individualized educational program, IEP. Upon reviewing the interpretation of the Act, the Supreme Court concluded that free, appropriate public education encompassed special education and related services provided at public expense, meeting state standards, and conforming to an individualized education program. In the majority opinion, Justice Rehnquist emphasized that the Act was a significant federal effort to promote the education of handicapped children, as many such children in the United States were either entirely excluded from schools or fruitlessly attending regular classrooms. The court ultimately decided to reverse the Court of Appeals decision and remand the case for further proceedings. The crux of implementing an effective IEP under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, lies in compliance with procedural safeguards outlined in Section 1415. Once the requisite standards are met, questions regarding methodology are left for state resolution. This landmark case reinforced the idea that schools must provide reasonable accommodations tailored to each child's needs and abilities, but are not obligated to deliver the optimal education possible.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.